The power of unity. The power of unity. Unity is very important, whether in any nation, in relationship, in marriage, in a company. Unity is very important. And unity is a necessity, it's a need if a family want to grow, if a nation want to grow, if a continent want to grow. Understand that unity is oneness. Unity is oneness. Unity is oneness. Unity is strength. Is strength. If you want to have strength as a nation, as a continent, unity is strength. Is strength. Unity is oral possibility. If you are united, you can move mountain. So unity will bring about oral possibility in your marriage, in your family, in your nation, in your organization, and in any continent. Unity. With unity, everything is possible. You want to make every possibility to be possible, unite with your partner, unite in your family, unite in your nation, unite in your continent, and you will see things will change. Unity is oneness, unity is strength, unity is oral possibility. God bless you.